In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to download apps on your laptop or desktop. So to download an app on your PC, just follow these steps. Step 1. First open Microsoft Store on your PC. Step 2. Type the name of the app that you want to download into the search box right here. For example, I'm gonna download Instagram. Step 3. Click on the app that you want to download. Step 4. Click on Get button. Step 5. The app will be downloaded and installed on your laptop. Step 6. Now you can open it right here. Step 7. I would like to have a desktop shortcut, so I check the box right here. Finally, I can use the app easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.